Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.
Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Spicy barbecue sauce. Here are the main ingredients we'll be using for our spicy barbecue sauce. We have sweet baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, some gochujang, green seasoning, fresh ground garlic, Worcestershire sauce, one of my favorite bears in the world, carob, and some salt and pepper to taste. I will list all the ingredients and quantities in the description box below for you guys. So this is a unique item that I added to my barbecue sauce. I haven't done this before, so I thought it would lend a nice flavor. So this is some Cranberry Juice Cocktail. I used a whole bottle in the batch of sauce that I made. So as far as the bear goes, you can use your favorite bear. In fact, for this recipe, I think I'm going to reserve the carob to drink it for myself. And I'm going to use a nice Kalik, which is one of my favorite bears from the Bahamas. I'm making my barbecue sauce now, and here I have a mixture of sweet baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce and some gochujang. I also added some cranberry juice and a bottle of bear. And now I'm going to add some of our seasoning. This is what the chicken and the ribs cooked in. It's a mixture of the nice garlic and the green seasonings to give it another kick in the flavor. So I'm going to add this to our sauce. I'm going to let this simmer for a few minutes, get all those flavors coming together. And you know, usually I use like a thicker barbecue sauce that I would brush onto the meat or chicken, whatever I'm doing. But this time I'm making it a little more fluid, so because what I want to do, this technique that I'm going to do today is I'm just going to like dip the meat into the barbecue sauce and just give it a couple more minutes on the grill, not very long. So this is a different technique than I usually use with brushing on the barbecue sauce. I saved my empty barbecue sauce bottle to store my extra sauce that I made. That way it'll keep really well in the refrigerator for quite a while, and I can use it with my leftovers too. Add some extra sauce. So I have to show you what I'm doing with the dunking process like I told you about. I just put the chicken into the sauce. I did the same thing with the ribs, and then I'm going to put it back on the grill. Now that looks good. So I'm just going to continue with the dunking. Ooh, nice. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel Shail's Kitchen, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest.
Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.